Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have something exciting, that is FlySky FS-i6X. This is a 10 channel 2.4 GHz transmitter, perfect for RC planes, drones and even flight, and even simulator. We can use this one. There are some specification on this side, and there are some specification on this side also, and here is the design. Let's open it and see what's inside the box. I am so much excited about this. Yes, here it comes. Here it is. Okay. So that's all in this box. Step aside. ये इसका this one is user manual. We hardly read it. Then this some stickers for our transmitter, and let's open it. Wow, nice and clear design. It's so beautiful. Oh, here we have a receiver. It's a 10 channel receiver, and it has ppm signal and ibus it supports. And other thing, we have a USB cable, PS2 USB cable, so we can connect this one directly to our simulator and for the updation of the software. Now let's have a closer look. It's fine, very beautiful. It has some, wow, very nice grip. It have 4 switches. These are analog channels. This is the throttle, left joystick, this is right joystick, these are trim buttons, and this is the antenna, this is the trainer port. Okay guys, let's power it on. Let me install the batteries first. Oh, it works on 4 AA batteries. I am using Duracell batteries. You can use anyone you want. Here are some key features. It is a 10 channel RF transmitter and receiver. It uses AF-HDS2A technology for stable signal, multiple mode memory, and simulation mode for the flight simulation. These are 3, and this one the 4th battery. Okay guys, let's install the batteries. Oh, that is the wrong one. We have installed the battery and install the cover. Okay, all right. I am so much excited. That's why my hands are shaking. This is the power button. Wow. It says the transmitter voltage 5.9396. That's its all have. And we can also use 2S LiPo batteries so that we can turn it on. So that's for today's video. That was a nice unboxing video. It's very beautiful. I am so much excited about this. And in the next video we will bind it to its receiver, and we will use in some other features also. And in the upcoming videos I will connect it to the simulator and we will enjoy the flights in simulation. Thank you guys, and if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. See you guys.